Hey guys, I'm going to show you another preset for the Pod HD 500X. It's pretty awesome. Before I show you the settings, I want you to hear a lick. See if you can figure out what it is. That was Bach's Toccata in D. Okay, now where I got this from was from, okay, like I says, if you want good sounds out of this thing, I suggest modifying an existing tone. Let me go to the big hall right here. That's where I got it from. Okay. Go to the preset 2. Oop. Sorry about that. Right here. Okay. Pretty much most of the stuff is factory settings from the big hall. See? I got this one turned off. That's factory. It's factory. Let's go into the amp here. Okay. Show you where all the settings are here on that. 90. Bass. Off. Mid. 29. Treble. 65. Presence. About 59, volumes at 50%. Okay, let's go into this. I use the bass octaver. I'll show you the. Okay, that one's off. That's the next bass octaver. Why I keep saying boss. Okay, see that little note there? That's the time. The little dot there. Okay. Mix I got it at 50. Okay, reverb I got it at Hall. Show you the mix, 48%. Alright, here mess around a little bit with it. Good idea to mess with some of this stuff. It gives you a good idea of chops, get your chops up, stuff like that. Try to do a, where you go, see, do another one. Well, since I played that one, that was another Bach Jesu, Joy of Man's Desiring. Did you know that was kind of Bach's way of worshiping God? Not a lot of people understood that, but yeah, it's true. So let's see. That was a D minor, I believe A diminished, to D minor arpeggio, and I just changed the shape. Okay. Here we go. sounds pretty cool, this effect. So better settle now for I get carried away here, but yeah, that's a pretty awesome effect. Stay tuned. I'm going to have demonstrations on some of the other settings. Until next time, remember, keep rocking on, man.